Hello guys, we'll enjoy our walk in this beautiful day over here. This is Mrs. O. Hello again. How are you guys? I hope everything's okay. I am walking, taking a walk in this cooler Tuesday afternoon over here. It's a beautiful day. How are you guys? Over here, it's still in spring. It's been in my area, you can have the 4 seasons in a week. Sunday it was like 89 degrees and then went down to 60, and then now in 50s Tuesday. Oh my lord. But well, you know what, I embrace my cold area, guys, because we don't have tornado here. Unlike in south, they are warm, you don't get snow. But oh my god, I am scared of tornado, guys. So yes, so I will just embrace my cooler area, the snowy, when it's snowy place, you know. So I love the 4 seasons in my area, guys. Welcome to North America. Where are we going now?
Usual.
Okay, go.
We were just waiting for you. I'm waiting for Ashley.
Are we can go around here. Just go around here. I'll just take for like 10 minutes, okay?
Wait, are you recording?
Yes.
Ah, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
I was wondering.
No, you guys just walking.
Exactly. I thought you were taking a picture of us.
I know. I just make a 10 minutes video to upload.
10-minute video? I don't want to be in a video.
No,
have ads on.
I will put a smiley face. But I don't get your face though. You're getting worse. It's
just a phase.
No, there's no face. There's no face. I will
If you
eat
look
it
at
down.
one of the odd ones out videos,
No.
talking about phases.
We turned around.
I can put a smiley face.
Turned around? Since when did we turn
Oh, yep, we
Just cut us out.
Okay.
How in the world are you going to do that?
Alright guys, did you hear my kids?
Why is that a perfectly
I
flat
understand.
I
I know, that's
cloud?
beautiful.
That is
Maybe
very confusing.
no, there's a.
Does that prove that the Earth is flat? I can tell it's obviously not, because mountains
Then why'd you
exist.
say it right?
Ryan,
Because
there's a
it's
over. Ryan, over there. There's as you can see, Ryan, there's a plane. Walking around the neighborhood, guys. So yeah, guys. Ooh, I'm scared of dog, guys. My lord. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. We really walk so fast. It's only not even 5 minutes. Alright guys, blue sky, green tree. It's beautiful around here, guys.
Why are you slower? Because
it's beautiful here. 5, it should be good. Alright guys, that's all for today. I'll just video for like a 5 minutes, and thanks for your time guys. Bye. This is Mrs. O again. Please like and subscribe, and I appreciate it. Bye.